I'm back, and I should have worn my hair up because it's a wee bit windy. Here we are with a brand new Swift Monza. Let's hop straight inside. So this model was actually launched just last year. It is a Ford Tourneo converted into a camper van. The reason that they went for a Tourneo, and I may be saying it wrong, please correct me if I am. The reason they went for that as opposed to a Transit, you can actually get this service at any Ford recognised company. So it doesn't mean you have to go to a specific van, let's say. It is classified as a standard car for the normal servicing. So straight in, you have your lovely sleek design. Now, this one is the matte finish. You can also get it in a white finish. You do have your sink here and your 2 gas hob as well. You then have your under-counter fridge with a freezer compartment just in there. And there is tons of storage in this as well. Tons and tons and tons, even up here as well. It is a diesel heater and very, very easy to work. It's just switch it all on, USB ports. That is your 12-volt plug-in point there. You then also have a 3-pin plug-in point, and the diesel heater is just here as well. Swift have really used every element to add storage. You have this lovely rack here. You can put spices on it, you can put whatever you want on it. Moving to the cab, they have finished this cab. Now both seats do swivel. Just for the purpose of the video, I only swiveled the one. They've created this cab to have a very natural vehicle-like feel to it, so that you can use this as an alternative car, your everyday car feel in the front, and then your adventure in the back. You do have your big multifunctioning touchscreen display here, down to your aircon and your different plug-in points, both USB and 12 volt. This is an automatic, but we do have manuals available, and we have alternative colours available. And then across to your multifunctioning steering wheel with cruise control and a speed limiter as well. So this is a rock and roll bed on a rail, so you can pull the seats forward or back, whichever position you want, whichever works best for you. It means if you pull it forward, you do have a larger garage space in the back, and if you have young kids, you can have them close to you while you drive. If not, push them away, get them far enough down the back. We don't want to see them, let them do what they're doing. And of course it is kid friendly because it does have the ISOFIX just in here. It is nicely tucked away whenever you don't need them. Gotta love this angle. The roof is currently up right now, and you can use that for whenever you're in the living space, but whenever it's time to sleep or time to travel, it is easy to just pull that back down. It's on a struts just like a boot. And the brilliant thing about this design, when you are traveling and you pull this down, you can dampen the noise. They've thought of everything. This just clicks in place here, and that keeps everything separated. And when you're ready to access the top, you have a lovely ladder to get up there as well. And just look at that lovely view. Now, the lovely thing about the pop-up roof in the Monza, it actually has a larger depth to it. I can show you on the outside just here if you want to follow me. You'll see at the back there's so much extra height, and it means that upstairs area as such is so much more spacious than in a standard van conversion. There is a solar panel on top as well, and you do have the option to get an awning added if you so wish. So that's really it for me, and that is a brand new Monza. This Monza also comes in blue, in a nice beige colour, and in an orange, an electric orange colour. If you want to see any more of the Monzas or any other elements to the Monza, please let me know. I can make up the bed for you, I can lie on the bed for you. Please reach out to me. Again, ignore the wind, ignore the wind. You can contact me, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call on 028 9269 3999, or drop a message in the comments and I'll pick them all up, and I'll see you in the next video.